Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, where is Nancy Pelosi? We are not seeing much of her anymore. In the past few days, we've seen very little of Nancy Pelosi. Could it be she is laying low for a while because she knows she has lost a lot of her bargaining power? Or could it be she knows her days as Speaker of the House is numbered and she will not have that position much longer? Her own party is calling for the removal, and that must be a hard pill to swallow. Every time you have a meeting with your own party members, you know deep down inside that they want you out. Must be hard on her. You know she's a power hog. She says she will run for Speaker of the House next time. Y'all, don't that sound real familiar for someone to run for an office that they know they have no way of winning? Sounds real familiar to me. The Democrats are saying it's all Pelosi's fault that the American people has not gotten the help they need by way of stimulus checks and stimulus packages. They're putting all the blame on Nancy Pelosi because every time they come close to reaching a deal, she moves the goalpost. She will not say yes for anything unless she gets everything she wants. And the Democrats are saying that's hurting the Democrat Party. They're blaming her for the loss of the Democrat seats that was lost in the election. They're saying that she was calling for a big blue wave and it never happened. And they're also blaming her for that. Y'all, her own party is drooling at the mouth for the day that they can say goodbye to her. They are wanting to replace her with Hakeem Jeffries. They say the best thing about Mr. Jeffries is he is not Nancy Pelosi. Wow, that's a low blow. They want her out bad, and so does the American people. We're all foaming at the mouth waiting for that day. She will be gone soon. If they're not able to get her out through their means, it's going to be up to the American people. When it comes time to vote for her seat, we need to vote her out. And I believe she will be voted out, and she sees this. That's why she's laying low right now. She don't want to push any triggers. Well, she's pushed a big trigger in most Americans' minds that won't go away. She has caused many Americans to lose their homes, their jobs, their savings, and yes, even their lives. She has no place in political office. She will be voted out either by her own party members or by the American people when it comes to voting time for that position. Y'all, keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will see us through this. He will bring us through every storm that we face. He always has, and he always will. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and just know I love you all. Ciao.